How to know if someone is online on Messenger but invisible. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into the step-by-step procedure. So first and foremost, you need to head over and tap open your Messenger application. Make sure that you are logged into your channel. So in here, you need to do a basic setting so that you can know if someone is online but invisible. Starting off, tap on the three horizontal line that you see at the top left corner. From here, click on the setting gear icon. Then from here, you need to head over and click on activity status. Right here, you need to make sure that this button right here is toggled on. When this button is toggled on, you can check out every other user who is currently active. If they are active, you will see a little green dot next to your profile, or right at the bottom of the username, it will mention as active now. However, if you see no any green dot or activity status, that can mean if someone is online or if their activity is toggled off by themselves for privacy. So this is all to how to know if someone is online on Messenger but invisible. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.